Ba-ba-ba-boom, baby!
We sure are destroying a lot of advertising today.
Like we need another reminder to buy Calex cream. Must suck to be a celestial head, just floating around the edge of the universe's stuck toilet. And then parasites move in and build a space station. They start digging out your brains. Until a death cult evicts everybody and starts blowing up what's left of you. You gonna make us a bridge or what? Who cares if he didn't ask? This ain't no time to be polite, you big stump.
Warlock better not kill Raker before I get to him.
I am eager to pull that sorcerer's insides to the outside.
Don't suppose Groot knows another side route.
If I could just get to the other side, I could hack that thing and drop the bridge.
If you can get to the other side, we can get to the other side, and it wouldn't matter.
Throw me.
What?
Throw me! Just get muscles to huck me across.
Are you kidding? After the fit you threw last time?
This ain't like the last time. You all... I trust you guys.
Leave this to me!
Glad that wasn't rocket.
You are a valued member of this team. Not a tool to be thrown about.
Worried about this ritual. And what's really gonna happen if we can't stop it.
Ain't gonna be dead people coming back, holding hands and wagging tails, that's for sure.
We don't have to worry about that because we will stop it. More specifically, I'm gonna make Raker eat my element guns.
Perhaps shooting him would yield better results.
And then we're gonna bring my daughter home, and that's
That's what worries you.
one problem at a time.
How dumb are these flartnards to even fall for this full flarkment garbage?
Magus demands adulation, trapping you with vile illusion while feeding on your soul.
Holy faith!
All that light isn't leading to the cortex. It is the cortex.
How could that mutt let this happen?
Looks like you'll get to ask him yourself.
This isn't gonna end well.
Cosmo!
We've got to get down there!
Don't count him out just yet. I've seen him get out of...
The beast is being exposed to promise.
No!
Safety's off, people!
These belligerents do not stand a chance.
Get away from my dog! Blitz him, Rocket!
Save your nice words for later, Quill!
Oh, thanks, buddy! Look, we gotta keep him off Cosmo!
They will not touch him!
Man, that giant robot can take a lot of pain! Come on, cut him down! Get him, Groot!
H-Fest!
Oh, wow! Remind me not to piss off Groot!
This is an historic battle! The last stand of nowhere!
Something tells me we got more scraps ahead!
I guess this means there's no nowhere resistance!
The dog is not dead yet!
Groot is saying something about people!
Guys, huddle up!
Hit this bot!
Why have you called us off the battlefield, Peter Quill? Our enemies are melting before us!
Like butter on a hot knife.
Somebody bring me some bread!
I have fought many battles, my friends, but none so magnificent as this.
Let's make one thing clear. Guardians do not dig their own graves.
What? Why are you talking about graves?
Or digging.
Ugh, you're not hearing me. Those losers are the ones who will be digging graves, because we're about to bury them. Who's with me?
You are
That
seriously,
was
Peter Quill!
unique.
What's next, Peter? Hey, Stumpnut! Yeah, you! Put down my friend, or else!
My great strength goes underutilized!
Careful!
Why does the dog not mind blast them?
I don't think he's in there no more.
Time to shred them!
Time's up!
Whoa! Keep them off Cosmo!
Let's worry about keeping them off of us first!
Cosmo, you've got to snap out of it!
Fight them, dog! This is an historic battle! The last stand of nowhere!
We lose Cosmo, and it's all over!
Ow! Can't shake them!
Hang tight! Drax, sack him! Cosmo, talk to us here!
I don't think he hears you! Get back in there, Tiger!
Is it me or are we barely denting this thing?
It is as venerable as it is large! We must break it!
I guess this means there's no nowhere resistance!
We're the resistance now! Carve him a new one!
Let us
Never
finish!
see it
No
coming.
mercy! Why does the dog not mind
It's
blast them?
barely a scratch!
I got all these. Next time, you're on your own.
Not going into the light this time, little buddy!
Nowhere
Move it at him,
security's in
big
big
guy.
trouble after this.
File your complaint later!
Get away from my dog! It's a breathing room, Groot!
Why does the dog not mind blast them?
Just buy him some time to recover! Send it their way, Drax!
I guess this means there's no nowhere resistance!
We're the resistance now! Chop him up!
It'll be a slice!
Gamora! Cut that!
Belief in the matriarch could not save this one!
Don't be sad. That one's tapping out.
Destroy!
Guys, huddle up!
What are we waiting for? These blades are thirsty!
Mine too. I want to run in there right now and do some serious damage, Peter.
This bloodlust you feel, it makes things unreal. And it'll get you killed if you don't control it. Which is why we don't rush in. We take our time and we bring them down. Who's with me?
I am with you, Peter Gray!
Bring it on!
Feel him.
Groot! Hawkeye time!
About time! I guess this means there's no nowhere resistance!
I wasn't expecting it.
We gotta keep them off Cosmo!
Cut them down fast! Head on a swivel! Feel this?
Why does the dog not mind blast them?
Just buy him some time to recover! Cosmo! Talk to us here!
The dog is lost in memories of the past!
Load up, Rocket!
This is an historic battle! The last stand of nowhere!
Something tells me we got more scraps ahead.
It's a breathing room, Groot! You just
we do about this big bot?
He can't get us all! Come on, guys! Let's mob the bot!
Cut that robo-priest down to size!
Taking that guy out was a freaking workout!
Will, unleash me onto these fools! Another cultist quelled!
Drax, destroy! Out of call, Groot!
Ouch! That's gotta hurt!
Rocket, go wild!
This flatnard's sucking up all my shots! Clark! Well, it's got through!
Nobody kicks a dog on my watch!
On our watch!
Pulverize them!
Perish!
That big robot is a serious problem!
The contraption cannot predict our merciless unity!
Cosmo, you've got to snap out of it!
Need your help here, buddy!
Why does the dog mind blast them?
Something's wrong with him!
Lay on the herd! Get him, Groot!
Gladly!
Oh, I hope that felt as bad as it looked!
What the fuck are you doing? He's one of them now.
He's our friend.
Yeah, so is Drax. And I ain't going inside this fleabag's head.
Maybe it doesn't have to come to that. Hey, buddy. Are you,
Take him out before it's too late.
Wait! He's still in there. I can hear him.
I hear only barking.
Focus your mind. He's there.
Oh, Clark, it just shoot the nuts!
Easy, bud. Friends, remember?
Is Peter Quill? Cosmo knows never lie.
Yeah, buddy. It's me. It's all of us.
Where is Cosmo smelled? Smell of nowhere.
Where else would we be, Furbrain?
His mind is addled. Or he is simply a dog.
He doesn't see us. He's still in the promise.
Cosmo, where are you? What do you see?
Blue sky and cars to chase. Cosmo is back. Doma, how you say? Home.
He's talking about Earth.
Smell of fresh grass. Feeling of dirt between paws. No psychic burden, just walkies for going. And the ball for fetching.
If you missed your home planet, could you not simply return at any time?
Not a time that matter. Same reason Cardathian not go home.
Nowhere is your home. Right here and now.
Nowhere is nothing. Dead heads, mind for scrap.
It's way more than that. This place is special.
If by met you mean I saved your bark, then yeah, we met here.
It's true. Nowhere was first place since Earth. Cosmo not feel like stray dog. First time, Cosmo forget what was lost.
This place is a haven for misfits like us. Like you. It's home. Earth is just some rock where you were born.
It's not about rock. It's about what Cosmo had on rock. Foot of bed for sleeping, belly for rubbing, color with name.
You miss being someone's property?
Cosmo not property. Belong to family. Then one day, family gone. Men in suits sent Cosmo into space. Cosmo searched many dog years for those he lost. But yet,
You owners. It sounds like they gave you up.
Family would never turn back on Cosmo.
I lost my family too. My mom died right in front of me when I was just a kid.
Then Piotr Quill should know. Cosmo would work like dog to have family back.
If they are part of this promise, these humans are most assuredly dead. Do not be swayed by the bribe of their return as I was.
Promise is only empty until fulfillment be. Perhaps it's Katatian who lost hope too quickly.
Come on, Cosmo, you gotta know this doesn't smell right.
Piotr Quill is right. Cosmo human have no smell.
They are wicked perversions. You must bite them with all your might.
Be gone! Cosmo not fetch your lies.
That's it, buddy, you tell him.
Nowhere is Cosmo home be. His pups, his family, will protect at all costs.
Sick 'em, boy!
Should we help him? I mean, we may need him.
I am optimistic for the beast's recovery.
Cosmo's got his mission. We've got ours. Let's get to the Cortex. You think he'll be okay?
He's got a thick coat.
All right, I still got access codes from when me and Groot were on vacation.
You mean when you quit the team?
Why do you always gotta be so... Flark! Attacking Scratch Snatchers. Gah!
Cosmo changed the codes.
I guess so.
All right, people. Let's find another way through.
Perhaps you entered the code incorrectly. I have made the same mistake.
With those sausage fingers? Of course.
Drax, can you handle this?
An intriguing texture. I fear I will regret this.